Hi everyone, this is Srinivas for Syzytutes. I am very happy to create this tutorial for Syzytutes. Today we are going to create a table fan in 3ds Max. It is mainly a spline modeling concept in 3ds Max. I cover from start to finish. What you are seeing on screen is the final output you are going to create. Let's start. Go to front view, Alt W, go take a circle, draw a circle in the middle. This is the and make it 0, everything 0 0, so that it is in the center of the grid. If you see this is what we are having. From there we are going to make even center cylinder. I want to make draw a sphere so that I'll scale it down this much. I'll scale it like that. See, something like this, then move it this way. For this we need to use interpolation, make it smooth, otherwise adaptive, something like this. Yeah, I want a very smooth curve there, and I need rendering rectangular shape. Only thing is we don't want that much length. We want very small, and the width is also 1. Yeah, this is what we want. If you want any design here, for example a design, try to use bevel profile. Now I will draw the curve line. Take a line tool, now make it smooth. Take all vertices, convert them into something like this. You should be very good in curve drawing, because that is very important in our work. But that's fine. I'll double go to perspective view and see how it's looking. Now you activate this, make it round, make it 0.5. It should be very thin. Just yeah, that is what you need to have. Yeah, it looks like that. See, fine. Now try to put that in the center of this one. Try to understand it clearly so that it will be very easy for you to do. Okay, step by step procedure. It is try to make a clear notes. We are going to duplicate this. We'll make the fan rakes and all those things. See, I want to rotate this so that you need to have this pivot point here. So go to hierarchy panel, effect pivot only, select that pivot and Alt A for alignment and align to this. You can align the pivot point also, so that it comes to pivot point, okay, in all axis. Okay, then click it. Means I aligned the pivot point to that one, so it rotates around this. roughly this is 360 degrees, so we need to have roughly 5 degrees or 6 degrees, something like that. Here you can use even tools. You can use array tool also. It looks complex. I want this to rotate. I want duplicate and rotate in 1D. For example, I want rotate this. Rotate means here you need to increase. Total is in which axis? It has to rotate in a y axis. Rotate y axis 360 degrees. Number of copies are 60. And apply. Preview. See, that is how we are getting. 60 is not enough. So I want to make it a 120. Preview again. That is what you are going to. I want to draw a line. First I want to hide them because a lot of mesh. Tools, manage layers, add a new layer. Add selected objects and hide them. See, that is what I hide it. Name that as a wire support. This you can hide, this you can activate. See, now you can work easily. So you have to use all these things when you are working. Then try to draw a circle. Hide them. Go to radial. Make it a 0.75 slightly. That is what is the front part of a fan. See, slowly it's coming. Hide the grill. Now we will model the fan rakes. Front part is over. We will model the manage layers, hide them, the grill part, and even try to save it. Save the project. Save. First we will make a cylinder. Extend primitive chamfer cylinder. And try to increase the segments, sides, height, something like this, something like that. From there, just once manage layers and hide them. That is how actually it looks from the front view. Next, draw that line. You can do in different ways. Generally my method is a easy one, that is direct to drawing, whatever the way so that I can smooth it later. Yes. See, just first getting the basic shape, then refining it is always easy method. That is you need to understand clearly how is my approach or whatever it may be. Select all, then smooth, then I'll convert all the things into Bezier or Bezier corner. You need to spend more time to get as good as possible. So this is what I have drawn. It looks very straight. Now we try to use extrude and get the surface. Extrude or bevel, whatever it may be. Then give some thickness. 0.5. See this. Okay, see, it looks like straight, but in real time fan it is having some bending. For that you need to apply after action twist. This is the twist modifier, and you give some angle. This is exactly what we need. Then again align the pivot point to center of this one and duplicate 3 times. Go to hierarchy, effect pivot only, Alt A, select the cylinder, it already came there. Okay, this, then rotate that. Angle snap, A is the angle snap. Just hold down shift and duplicate 2 times. Instance I want same. See this, this is our this thing, fan. Go to tools, manage layers, and hide that. See, already we are getting our fundamental shape. If you render it, you will see that is what we are seeing. Just you apply proper colors, rendering, lighting and all those things, you will get it wonderfully. Layer, add a new layer, this, this, this. This is a front grill. H, select all. Okay, create a new layer and add selected object and hide them. Yeah, this is a front grill. Put them in a proper place so that you can understand easily. File, save this. So this is what we are having. So first I will create the back engine cylinder so that normal sphere, and I will delete the off part. Standard primitives sphere. Otherwise I can use even go to front side. First increase the segments, number of segments, try to increase the and scale it this way. Just I want very fundamental one. Yeah, edit polygons, remove the front polygons, just delete them, then put it back, something like this. See, we don't want to make it complex. I want to make it as simple as possible. I don't want this much curvedness there. Try to apply F, click on FFD cylinder so that we can make the control vertices. See, that is what is the beauty of this one. That's it, that is what I want. Yeah, again try to save as. First we'll make the grill part. Go to side view. So as usual, go to line, line tool, procedure is same for every, it won't change for every model. Only thing is you will really like this part, the fundamental. See, now again same, you duplicate, go to array tool, select that, same again you have to keep this align pivot. I'm aligning to this one. Now I'm using again array tool, same 360 120 preview. Yeah, it will come. See, if you go to tools, manage layers, so just scale it up. We have to try to save it. Collapse to, yeah, now you won't find anything like that. Then edge, select the edge faces, see, select that edge, then a ring, sorry, loop, select the loop and extrude it inside, extrude it -10, -2, scale it down that. Something like this. From that we need to create a cylinder. Fan rakes, if you see, just create a cylinder. Copy, okay, try to reduce the radius. I want to make the back support this way. This is a round shape. Go to front view, hide everything other than this. Tools, manage layers, W, come here. We need something like this. Okay, that has to come this way. You have to design that. I want to create a rectangle from here to here. Then I will modify it. Here we want to there. Convertible spline, then wet segments. You have to convert it this way. That is what is the purpose of doing that. Divide that. I want 2 times. Divide that. Now go to vertices and pull it down. See, you are going to see something like this. And slightly give fillet, little fillet, so that then divide this. Selection center, you just keep in the selection center so that in whatever the way you want based on your design. Then segments, slightly scale them, divide. That's what I want. Go to front view, chamfer box, so that we need to have some segments, edged faces, F4. We are getting, now we will add that switches, wire work. Now for example, want to apply, say actually this is not attaching to that. For example, I want to select this 2 line and move it up. Fine. See, you can do a lot of things with FFD. It depends on your creativity and all that stuff. Next, apply to this. If you are just hide unselected, so that you can apply work on only that. FFD, again FFD same, box, control points. I will go to top view if you are not convenient. You need to work in all angles. Now we are going to add the buttons here, 4 buttons. So go to top view. I need 4 buttons, chamfer cylinder, small buttons. Go to front view. move tool, come here, give height, reduce the height, we don't want much, small buttons kind of thing, sides. And for this I want to apply the taper because previously I applied twist for the fan rakes, now I am applying taper. Only select that and unhide all, you saw that hide unselected. See, this is what actually we are getting. Chamfer cylinder, increase the segment so that you will make it smooth. Unhide all, reduce the radius slightly, we don't want that much, given a height. Now you duplicate, hold down shift and duplicate one to that, then select both and duplicate once again, hold W, hold down shift, see, that is how we are getting. I want to unhide all, hide unselected. Okay, we need to have a, yeah, just make a small chamfer box like this much. On that we want to make the switches. Copy, okay, length, segments, FFD box, that is the purpose of that. Hold on shift, buttons, small cylinder here, tube, only thing is bring it up to here. Radius 1 and 2, all W, radius 1, radius 2, and rotate it slightly. Okay, from there just we apply a small cylinder kind of stuff. Hold down shift and duplicate once, copy. Okay, see how to add the details. Slowly I'm adding the details and all that stuff. It needs to have small probably this type of thing. I want to duplicate this. Hold on shift and okay, same thing here we need. Only thing you have to rotate that 90 degrees, move it this way, rotate this. Okay, from there actual wire is coming, and go to top view. What is select all, make it smooth. Now it is exactly on the ground, so just pull it down, put it there. If you give it a gray color, you'll understand better how it is coming. Extended primitives, cylinder. Now I want to taper, apply taper, then amount, curve, see that is we need to add two cylinders here, chamfer cylinders. Hold on shift and duplicate that. Now group them both. Plug. underscore grp group. See that? Yeah. This is what is the modeling part of our see that is modeling part of our fan, table fan. The next thing is texturing part, rendering, texturing, lighting, and all that. Next session we will go. Okay, but this is what is the modeling part. Now we have to name them properly, group them properly, and so many things. If you want to animate that fan, you have to do a few things. Okay, we'll continue in the next session. This is the modeling part. Try to do it exactly. Good luck.